It's my pleasure to address you, myself, N.K. Mishra, Director, Abhiyan Academy. Abhiyan Academy is accredited institute of Indian Institute of Banking and Finance for providing the online debt recovery agent training in Pan India. We have our presence in Pan India, providing the training in 11 languages, starting from Assamese, Bangla, Udiya, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, English, Gujarati, etc. etc. Friends, as per the rules, the graduate candidates are required to attend 50 hours training within 8 days, and undergraduate candidates are required to undergo for the training for 100 hours within 15 days. The training is online, is strictly monitored by Indian Institute of Banking and Finance and also Reserve Bank of India. After completion of this training, one can do the work for collection or recovery of the banks or financial institutions dues, and after that they can progress in the line of this collection and recovery. Recently, Economic Times published one news. As per the news, the demand for the debt recovery agent certified persons are increasing a lot. This year, 30% increase has been recorded, and the person in the metros are getting emoluments of between 15,000 to 17,000 per month. This is a very good emolument. In the other part of the India also, the employment opportunity is existing, and the candidates are getting minimum 12,000 to 15,000 with bonus and other things. It's a very good opportunity in the banking sector. Once you become the certified DRA, you can work for any bank, any institution in Pan India, all over India. There is no bar on it. Now, this is the month of the March. During the March, if you are taking the training, then you will be eligible to appear in the exam on the 3rd May 2025. In case of delay, your exam will take place on 21st June 2025. Friends, for examination fees, it is very, very low rate is moving at our institute. From the graduate, we are charging 4,000 rupees, which includes the examination fees of 1,416 rupees and GST about 580 rupees. For the undergraduate, we are charging 4,850 rupees, which includes the examination fees of 1,416 rupees and GST about 600 rupees. In addition to the examination fees and training costs, you people have to purchase a book published by the Taxman Publication in various languages. But the cost of the book differs from one language to other language. Say, for in English, the cost of the book is 540 rupees. In Hindi, it is 790 rupees. In other languages like Uriya, it is 560 rupees. In the Tamil, it is 860 rupees. For sending the book, we used to charge 60 rupees postage charges. Friends, it's a great opportunity for development of your skill in the Pan India and in the banking sector. In addition to the DRA, we are providing the course of Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. This is called the Diploma in Banking and Finance, and the examination of Diploma in Finance is taking place on half-yearly basis. Generally, it is taking place in May and December. For this examination, you have to purchase four books, 4 subjects, and the cost of the 4 books is about 3,900 rupees. In addition, examination fees is similar to 4,000 something rupees with the taxes. So there are 2 major expenses which you have to bear. First of all, you please purchase the book. Second, you enroll yourself for the examination. And third thing, in case you need some guidance, you have to pay 2,000 rupees per subject to the Avian Academy. The Avian Academy will provide you the training at evening hours on Friday, Saturday, and on Sunday during daytime. So this is a good opportunity. Once you qualified this diploma in banking and finance, your entry in the banking sector is confirmed. The Indian Institute of Indian Bank Association, which is the apex body of all the banks, have published on their website that whosoever will qualify this diploma in banking finance, they will be absorbed and their marks will be 20 marks for this examination. Means once you will qualify their written test, your selection is confirmed. Even you are not going for the permanent job in outsourcing. If you have qualified this DRA and this diploma in banking finance, you can join any company who are involved in collection in debit card, credit card amount, or other say amount in private banks, private agencies like that. So friends, don't hesitate. You call me on my phone number 7489497054. I repeat my number 7489497054. Please add this number on your WhatsApp and send me the information like first your full name as per your 10th certificate, date of birth, email ID, 2 mobile number,